This show has brought to you by Slater Properties. Today we're going to make oat milk. Oat milk is a good alternative. We're going to use rolled oats. To sweeten it up, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Here we have all of our ingredients. Let's add our oats and water to the Vitamix. Now we're going to blend on high for 30 seconds. Now we're going to use a strainer and a cheesecloth. Now we're going to pour the oats in the strainer. Now we're going to sweeten it up by using syrup. Thank you for watching. Bye. If you need to buy or sell a house, you can call my dad. Smash the bell button and subscribe. Do a thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up too. Yeah. And sent to you by Slater Properties.